Yeah, welcome to Teal Gold Fashion Forum. Yeah, in our last class, we talked about to sew a trouser, fix a pocket. But today we'll be doing um, how to fix an invisible zip properly into a cloth. Now this is my zipper. This is my zipper, and this will be the foot presser for zipper. You can see it's very different from this one. So I'll be removing this. I'll be removing this. I'll be replacing it with this. You can see it's having only one foot. So that's the right footer for invisible zipper. So now this is the zipper and this is my fabric. So what I want to do is I want to attach the zipper to the fabric. You can see this is my front, this is the front part of the fabric, and this is the wrong side. So I'll be starting from the back side. So you open your zipper and you place it upside down, like the front facing front. Then you make sure you fix your zipper this way. Just make sure your zipper is very convenient lying down. So, and this is how you're going to do it. You try to open your zipper this way. You try to open it. Don't sew around here. If you sew around here, it will give you one kind of color in the mist, so it won't give you that properly fixed zipper. So your zipper should be very tight. So that's why you're going to sew around this side. So just watch. So you are going to sew around here, the back stitch, then you continue. Make sure you're sewing straight and you don't touch the teeth of this zipper. So just follow the line, yeah, and once you get to the last place, you back stitch. Yeah, although this is for a beginner, at least you can do this on your own and it will still be very, very neat and much more appreciated by your clients. So now we are moving to the front. So this is our frontal part. This is the front. So you make sure you place the front and the front also, so it will give you something like this. So now you'll be starting from here. So make sure you consider where this is starting, where this stopped. So you should start from there, or else your zipper might look like this or like this, or somehow not impressing, you understand? So you have to watch that too. Probably you just zip up first, then you make sure it's properly fit, like they are touching each other, then you unzip. You can use pin, you can pin it down. You can pin it down if you don't mind. you can pin it down. So just make sure they are meeting at a good point. So one is not doing this way, the other is not going this way. So make sure they are very, very correct. You understand? Then you do the same thing you did to the other one, which I said you have to open the teeth. You open the teeth. Yeah, something like this. So once you start sewing your back stitch, then you continue. I use this machine. Industrial machines too have this kind of footer, like the foot presser they have for invisible zip. But I know this is very common amongst us. So almost everyone has this type of machine. Almost everyone. Even if you are using a butterfly, or you are using a zigzag machine, or you are using an industrial machine, there is a footer, like a foot presser for the zipper. For the zipper, we are almost done, and that's 100% done. Yeah, so this should be my end result. Can you see? Can you see it's totally invisible? Yeah, this is what I want you to learn. So your finishing is now on your own part. Either you want to finish it this way, then you hem, or you want to finish it by ripping it off, then trying to stitch and everything. So that's, I just want us to know how to fit this properly. So thanks for watching. Bye.